Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a minute since I've done a video on YouTube. And y'all, every year I be like, oh, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. You know what, I'm just gonna shut up talking and just drop these videos. So it is officially December 2025, end of the year, and I am going to braid my hair. So the colors that I will be using today, let me show y'all. So I will be using the color 350. Yes, y'all, 350. I'm definitely using the 52-inch Outre. I want a little length due to the fact that it's cold outside here in Houston. I never thought I would see the day, but I'm so happy because now I get to wear my coats and my boots and stuff. And also, I am doing boho. This is the 350 hair, my boho pieces, human hair, of course. And this is deep curly. I definitely sell this on my website and you can order it. I got a total of 3 bundles. As y'all can see, this is pretty thick. I come up a little bit, but this is pretty thick. But yeah, I'm super excited. I already have my hair prepped, ready to go. So we're gonna jump right into this video. I'm gonna make sure I leave everything down in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's hop into it. Okay, y'all, so I have my little 3-way mirror. I'm not even using it. I'm using it, but I'm not using it. But I'm just trying to show y'all what I have going on. So as y'all can see, I pre-sectioned off the row already. And I'm just taking my Ultra Expression hair in the number 350. And I'm just going to put like 5 pieces in there because I wanted a pretty decent size. And then I definitely started off at the root. I don't braid my hair first and then install it. I just do it right when I started off. So it can be the same type of, I want to say, width all the way down. Like, because you know, if you start with your regular hair, it's skinny at the root and then it gets thicker. I want it to be kind of the same size consistently all the way down. Then as y'all can see, I just added in that boho piece, and I'm going to add at least 2 to 3 pieces in that particular braid. And I started to do every one once I got to a certain part of my head. And as y'all can see, I am going ahead and braiding it down. And then I'm going to add another human hair piece. And I just kind of feed it in there and then I flip it up out the way. I kind of do one rotation. And you can have clips too to hold it out the way. I've done this hairstyle so much, I just kind of flip it up and just keep braiding down. And then I'm going to continue to braid all the way down. And then I am going to add another boho piece at the end. And instead of flipping it up, I just go ahead and braid it down because that's where I am going to end that braid. And then as y'all can see, I'm braiding it all the way down. And then I'm going to tie it off with the Outre Expressions braiding hair. And I do it like 2 times, or you can do it 2 to 3 times just to make sure it's secure. I do not use nail glue because I don't like nail glue. And I am going to do it again just so you all can see and get the gist of how to install your own boho braid. I'm not going to talk too much longer. I kind of told y'all how I do it. Y'all just continue to watch. Stay to the end so y'all can see the final results. And I will talk to you later, trendsetters. Okay, trendsetters, so this is the final result of the hair. This is how the back looks. And yeah, pretty much this hairstyle took me 2 days due to the fact that I had a client. I love the color. It matched the braiding hair perfectly. I only used about a bundle and a half, so in order to get this type of fullness, if you want more, you can add more curls, but you need no more than at least 2 bundles. If you want 3, that's totally up to you, just to have a little extra hair if you want to retouch up, or you can totally do your hair over again. But I pretty much wanted to show you how this hair looks after I installed. And if you like this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I hope that this helps. You can order straight off my website. I will put everything down in the description below. And y'all have a happy holiday. Like I said, it's in December. Next time, it's probably going to be a whole new year, 2026, God willing. And I will talk to you soon, trendsetters. Love you.